I'm a lover, not a fighter, but every night you decide to start some shit. I'm sick and tired of being so sick and tired. Coming home from tour, you yelling before I get through the door with that so-and-so said this and that, why you still with me for? Going through my phone, I made you feel like a fool, screaming, who the fuck is Alex? When Alexander's my dude. Sometimes I think you do it simply cause you're bored. If you really love me, we be making love, not war. But you rather waste the little time we do have going back and forth. Are you sorry now? Well, too bad. I can't believe I wasted all this fucking time. Instead of fighting with you, I could have been writing rhymes or hanging out with Stitch and watching up or something. You never try to meet me halfway. You play these little immature ass games. I try to be the best man I can, but you were too dumb to understand that I can have any girl, but I stayed with you. I guess everybody plays the fool, man. Now you think you're coming back to me, but that's something that I just don't see. I thought this was forever, the thought of leaving you never, but you gotta kick rocks cause your screaming's leaving my head hurt. Before you go, there's something that you should know. I'm taking everything I bought and you better leave me my red shirt. Don't even think of twisting this to make it my fault, or try to tell me you forgot to take your mind off. Cause you ain't blaming this one on your period, and you can say the song and dance cause I'm gone, period. Huh? Well, wait, no, I'm not hearing it. The crash dummy finally grabbed the wheel and now he's steering it. Oh dear God, what a disaster. And I probably should have done something faster. Wait, you know what? You can kiss my ass. You can drop from the label and I'm keeping your masters. Travis, you're a bastard. Call me what you want to, whatever makes you feel better, I don't want you. P.S. I froze all your accounts and leave that ring on the counter, please. You never try to meet me halfway. You play these little immature ass games.